Army. Welcome back to home base 2021. We made it. We in there. If you made it through 2020 without getting pregnant or COVID, say amen. I'm gonna say amen, but I'm like 99% sure I had COVID back in February, quiet as it's kept. Anyway, I'm happy to be here, happy you're here. Hope you stay. Go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. You can give the channel a thumbs up too if you want. Leave me a comment. And yeah, let's get into this DIY situation. It's a good one. And it's an easy one, but it's a good one. For this project, you'll need some jeans, some acrylic paint, a good paintbrush, and don't worry, I'll link all these items down below. I got these jeans from the Goodwill, only $14.99, girl. Steal. This brush is a Sorrento Artist Loft brush. Oh, this is the perfect brush. It's hard and soft at the same time, and the tip, mwah, perfect for thin lines and thickness. I love this paint. I got the metallic white one. I'm not sure what the normal white one looks like, but I thought the metallic would give it some zazzle. So here we are. That's also going to be linked down below. Now, this is inspired by Bella Thorne. Not the person, obviously, but the Chanel pants that she was probably gifted. I think she was like an ambassador at one point. She was wearing a lot of Chanel. Anyways, honeys, we're going to do this over there, okay? We're going to take all of this, and we're going to we're going to DIY it, okay? Because we can't buy it. Honestly, I couldn't even find these jeans online, so don't know where she got them. Moving on. It's going to be real cute. I wanted to do like ASMR right there, but I was listening to Doja Cat, so anyway, I am freehanding all of this because there's so many different sizes. Stencils would be so time consuming. And honey, the point of a DIY, first of all, I hate them 5-minute DIYs that, first of all, in no way take 5 minutes and also are unrealistic. If I gotta spend freaking $30 and 30 hours on a project just to avoid spending $15 for something, like, that's not a hack. That's not a good DIY. That's not, no. So for this, all you gotta do is go down to your local Goodwill, get you some cute ass Levi's, go to Michael's, Walmart, Target, Amazon. It's gonna be linked down below. You didn't even gotta leave your house. Buy some acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Boom, bam, boom. And now you can have your own Chanel-inspired denim, honey. Denim. You know, it's too cute. It's too bougie to say jeans. This is denim. So, anyways, I am freehanding this. I am doing this all. I'm going to let this play in real time for y'all because I want you to get, you know, as much detail as possible, especially because it's such a simple DIY. I want you to really be able to watch me do this. Like, I didn't stamp this. I didn't trace this. It's just straight my brain, CC, however much I can, how close I can get to it. And yeah, there is definitely mistakes, lots of mistakes, but I honestly like that because it kind of looks more stampy and distressed and kind of I don't know, I like that really like grunge, I made this in my garage type vibe. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this now. Put on some good old tunage for your ears and get you some visual, you know, art to just let your mind slip away. the final pants. In the end, I did at the bottom add some side slits. Mwah! Chef's kiss. That set it off, honey. I love these freaking pants. The imperfections make them perfect. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye. You can't be dancing to the camera's gonna be shaking.
Nuh-uh, my hand still.